everyone, welcome to my new video. My name is Vova. Guys, today's video is all about Amazon review hacks that help you increase your conversion rates on Amazon. This video is for you if you're looking for creative ways to increase social proof on your Amazon listing, therefore increasing your conversion, sales and profits on Amazon. Guys, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vova. Here I speak about Amazon FBA. I share practical stuff that helps you sell more, to increase your profits, to minimize your losses, and everything that helps you sell better on Amazon. All the information I share was tested on my shop and is being tested on my shop all the time, so you know that the information source here is valid. So if that is something that might interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you very much. So Amazon review hacks, let's go. Guys, so welcome to my computer. Now we're gonna go through the social proof part of your listings, and I'm going to show you in which ways you can improve it, therefore improving your conversion rates on Amazon, and which will lead to more sales. So guys, here we're on the listing of exercise workout bands. All right, this dude is selling the exercise workout bands, and this is a pretty good thing, by the way. If you're into fitness, I used to travel with these. I've traveled like a year around Asia back in the day, and I've used these for training, which was really nice. But what's the thing about Amazon here? So this dude has 18 reviews, right? He's on 4 stars. And let's jump to the social part proof of the listing, which is mainly, it's the part where it starts here in the related video shorts, all right? So the first thing you want to do for improving your conversions and all these little hacks, you can upload a video, right? If you have somebody using these cables, a friend, you, anyone, it can be now uploaded to Amazon, And if you have 1 video, that's nice. If you have 2, it's better. If you have 5, that's amazing. That shows that your listing has social proof, that different people use your product, and therefore, it shows that it's being used by others, that it's good and it's better. This dude doesn't have anything here, but it's okay. All right, let's go further. Let's go down. And the next part of the social proof is customer questions and answers. All right, guys, so let me give you a little tip here. Now, you need to think, right? These are, they're actually unlimited amount of questions that could be posted. But here's a little thing. If you get 3 questions posted, 3 guys, not 2, not 1, 3, it will appear up here in this section, in the 3 answer questions. When it's gonna be 2 answered, it's not gonna appear here. So it's just gonna be blank and reviews, right? Once you get to 3, it's gonna appear here, and obviously you can go up. But why is it good? What's the thing about social proof and and answer questions? Well, here you should place the questions that are really crucial for your product, right? The things that actually will also sell. If you're selling, say, these resistance bands, I want to know their length, all right? Maybe that will be something that's important for me. And you should have a question that speaks about the length, etc. for your products, all right? Now, one thing I like to add as a question as well, therefore you can ask somebody to help it with you, right? You with it. A question about warranty. Do you provide any kind of warranty? And then you say yes, blah, blah, blah. And this is another place that gives you extra conversion rates, but also extra social proof, right? Here, because people ask, the listing looks active. 3 questions is nice, but if you have 15 questions, that shows that people are asking stuff, all right? And that shows that you have, that increases your conversion. But now let's get to the review section, guys, right? So what can I tell you about the top reviews, right? It appears as top reviews and most recent. Now, in the top reviews, guys, this is the most important part, because usually people don't really click and see the most recent. Some of them do, depends on the product, depends on the niche. But for top products, top reviews, you need to have a very strong listing in terms of having pictures, videos, and upvoted helpfuls here, all right? And basically just having higher star rating. And this is not a good, not a good example of a listing that does well with social proof. But I have prepared some things here, guys, and you can see how other guys do it in a majestic way, all right? But before that, look, he's on 4.2 stars. Just so you know, once you get to 4.3 stars, the star is going to be 4.5 stars, all right? So that's really crucial. When you see that you're getting to 4.3, 4.4, you guys should be aware of the fact that you might lose a star and your conversion drops, trust me. And if you have 5 stars, competing against you, even with a few thousand reviews, it will still, go down with time. It's tested and proven, guys. So the idea for this guy, what could have he done? He should get more reviews to get to 4.3 at least, so he gets the the complete star. But let's see in other listings, guys, how a really good social proof part of this listing, how it looks really well. Which listing can offer this? And we have this dude Nilia, right? And these is like 3-pack resistance extra workout bands. I'm not gonna speak about pictures, just the social proof, guys. So look, this dude has customer images, all right? The other one didn't have them, right? He doesn't have the customer images. So what you need to think is getting customer images, and let's look at this guy. He has a lot of of images showing the product, which is already good. People usually post that because that's easy. They like to review stuff, they just get it, they kind of take a snap and they get these pictures, something like this. But the better pictures to have are like this. Somebody shows his foot, that's a girl, and it actually shows that it's working, all right? Actually, not that much, 3 stars, all right? But, and other people, well, this one has 2 stars as well, it tore away. But you should have obviously good pictures here, right? And for this dude, in the top reviews, he has a review with a picture, which is completely awesome, guys, because here we need to concentrate on having video reviews, picture reviews, and upvoted reviews, all right? Because that's the top review section. That's what customers see once they scroll down, and they don't really go to the most recent. Some of them do, and that's why you need to get many good 5-star reviews, all right? But in the top reviews, you see 27 helpful, all right? And he has some emojis here as well, guys. This is good and attractive for the eye. Now, it's also good to have reviews that answer to some problems of the prospect. So to say, if that's a resistant band, and I had back in the day when I was traveling, mine, I think it broke after, like a half a year, and a durability, right? So you can say like this one is, the reviewer will say something like, this is durable, this is, to overcome all the objections and fears of your potential customers. And he has some pretty good reviews here, but just one with, with pictures, which is not bad, all right? Now, let's go to even better listing, which is ApoX, this dude. And ApoX, he has full 5 stars, guys, here, 4.8, very high rating, guys, amazing. Look at this. And look at the social proof, 168 questions answered, 1,300 reviews, that's amazing. So let's go here. And what do we see here? First, we see many upvotes, guys. 100 is better than 10, 200 is better than 100, right? And he has it right here. But besides that, guys, he also has a video here, all right? A video of a dude reviewing it, you see? And that is amazing because you want to have people, you want to have pictures with people using the product on video or on just a photography, right? But anyway, it's better. And big reviews also help, the reviews that overcome objections and fears of customers, right? Like this one here, right? That's a really nice, a really nice example of social proof being used very well. Of course, you can't always control it. Like you can't really control which kind of reviews you get. But if you contact your customers and in your follow-up emails or other things like ManyChat, I use ManyChat, and I can ask them for pictures as well, all right, guys? I can ask for videos. That's really nice. And think of how you ask it in a creative way, and you give them something before, in terms of maybe you can send a free ebook with your first email, right? And then the person feels sort of obliged to give you something back, and that can be a picture with a review, right? But never ask for a review and you say, if you leave us a review, we'll give you this. That might get you in trouble. But another hack, guys, all right, just so you know here, we have the top rated section, all right, of any category, all right? And this top rated section, we have this dude, you see? So once people, you see he has 5 full stars. So once people, travel, so to say, or surf this section of exercise bands, right? They see the featured deals, bestsellers, and top rated, guys. And because his reviews are so good, he's top rated there, all right? And that is amazing, right? He's here, this dude. And yeah, ApoX. And that's another place to get traffic from, guys, you see? And one extra thing I will tell you about is that top rated also gets
traffic from other listings. So to say, you can see it on the computer usually, but I'm going to show you in a second, but usually you see that on the phone, all right? And you can see that, you can show as top rated, this Upperways guy can show for, a weak listing like this, the first that we saw, in the section of the top rated. And usually that appears on the phone, guys, and that's a crazy amount of traffic there. Now, what's the idea, guys? The big idea is to get, a high star rating, right? So this dude makes sure, guys, he thinks outside the box, I believe, right? In order to get good reviews, he needs to keep this 4.8, because once he drops to 4.7, guys, he's technically gonna drop half a star, right, first, and he's gonna maybe lose his top rated, not sure, maybe he's still gonna stay top rated, but it's half a star, guys. So you need to concentrate on getting more reviews, guys. Think long term, think 2 years from now, right? And one little hack, guys, if you get to different listings through Google, all right, as resistance band Amazon, right, somehow I've gotten into this listing here, which is to sport to people, all right, sport to people. And look what I see here, what customers buy after viewing this item, guys, right? This same thing appears on mobile as well, but here it is on, so to say, through Google, all right? So that's traffic from Google, just so you know, guys, all right? And there's a lot of traffic coming from Google to Amazon. You should, guys, educate yourself on Google because it's a nice traffic source as well. Mainly, the traffic source should be Amazon. That's why I spoke about optimizing your reviews to social proof. All right, like this dude Applex got, and because that works. Look, guys, he has 2,000 reviews. He's pretty strong, right? But this dude appears here, and he has 4.4. This dude has 4.8, right? And we click on this guy, and we might buy him because, well, he gives one. That's another thing, but a lifetime guarantee and stuff like that. But guys, he's social proof is to the point. And here as well, in the related video shorts, guys. Look, he has 5 videos. Other people have less. This dude had 0. Oh, just 1, guys, all right? And ApoX is killing it, right? And a lot of answered questions. Guys, this is social proof on Amazon listings. I hope you got some good ideas from this video, and I advise you, and I really want you to, to buff up your social proof and your reviews, guys. Do that. That will help you in the long run and in the short term as well. So, yeah.
Awesome, guys. Please also make sure you watch the video here. It will show you how to get reviews on Amazon. 5 proven and tested ways. It's a gold nugget. Guys, please check it out. And thank you a lot for watching today's video. Please like this video if you liked it. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like the information here. And drop a comment down below. Let me see what you think about my stuff, about this video. It really helps me with engagement. Really helps me to understand what you want and what you like, guys. Really appreciate you all. Thank you and have a great one.